The Festival of Letters, the annual event of the Sahitya Academy, had a much grander celebration and program for this year. 2014 is the 60th year of the Academy's conception and existence, and the events were organized on a much grander scale. Literature lovers, writers and poets from around the country converged to participate in this mega literary event. Manipuri musicians kicked off the ceremonies with a short opening performance. The inaugural speech and welcome address was delivered by Mr. K. Srinivas Rao, Secretary, Sahitya Academy.
In welcoming Professor Namanita Devsenji, eminent Bengali poet, who has kindly agreed to inaugurate the Academy 2014 exhibition.
The President of the Academy, Mr. V.P. Tiwari, gave a brief introduction to this year's festival, followed by Mrs. Nabanita Deb Sen, who subsequently inaugurated the festival exhibition.
जो आँख से ही न टपके तो फिर लहू क्या है? तो आप लोग खुद अपनी आँखों से देखेंगे कि एक साल की जो गतिविधियाँ हैं और कुल मिला के 60 साल की ये 60 साल पूरा हो रहा है उसकी गतिविधियाँ हैं, ये दोनों आप यहाँ देखेंगे। और सबसे बड़ी खुशी मेरी ये है, इसका उद्घाटन इस महिला वर्ष में प्रसिद्ध लेखिका के द्वारा हो रहा है। ये हमको खास इसकी खुशी है।
Today we are not only celebrating 60 years of the existence and growth of Sahitya Academy as an institution, but also growth of 24 languages, Indian languages, Indian literature, and Indian literature. It's really, I'm very, very fortunate.
The display showcased the achievements of the Academy in the last 60 years and was the most prominent attraction of the event. All award-winning titles from 24 recognized languages since 1954 were exhibited apart from the photo exhibition. The display spoke of the history, milestones, seminal events, achievements, evolution and growth of the Academy in the last 60 years.
साहित्य अकादमी के 60 वर्ष पूरे हुए हैं और यह एक बड़ा विशिष्ट अवसर है कि अकादमी 60 वर्ष अपने पूरे कर रही है। इसके बीच में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी उपलब्धियां उसकी रही हैं। इस अवसर पर कई नए कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि अकादमी के नए भवन का शिलान्यास हो रहा है और अकादमी के जो सभी फेलोज हैं उनको हम आमंत्रित करके उनका अभिनंदन कर रहे हैं। और अकादमी ने बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम भी बढ़ा दिए हैं, जिसमें कि पूरब की जो भाषाएं हैं जिनको नॉर्थ ईस्ट कहा जाता है उनके कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं, उनके सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि 60 वर्षों पर के पूरा होने पर साहित्य अकादमी जो आयोजन कर रही है, ये आयोजन बहुत ही सार्थक और बहुत ही संदेश देने वाला है।
Festival of Letters 2014, it is a very special kind of festival this year because Sahitya Academy has completed 60 years of its existence, and during this festival we have designed a very special kind of programs. Throughout the festival nearly 150 writers, young as well as senior writers and scholars are taking part in this festival, and we have a beautiful book exhibition we have installed in this Ravindra Bhavan lawns, in which from the day one when the Sahitya Academy was instituted and our first president was Jawaharlal Nehru, from that day to this date our presidents and secretaries and vice presidents and all our activities like award presentation ceremonies and also important seminars. When we had a centenary seminar on Tagore, at that time Radhakrishnan was our president. So all those photographs we have displayed here in this exhibition, and we have also installed a Google with the books that Sahitya Akademi has published specially. And in this exhibition we have also displayed last 59 years this Sahitya Akademi was giving a Sahitya Akademi award. So all those books we have displayed, that is award winning